guys, welcome to another episode of Primal Tiki. So today I will be doing the unboxing by words of Huawei P30 Pro that has been newly launched, and it was unveiled yesterday in Paris. So let's talk about it and do its unboxing. So after months of leaks, the Huawei P30 and the P30 Pro were officially unveiled at an event in Paris yesterday. The two smartphones are flagships in every way with Kirin 980 chipsets, powerful Leica certified cameras, big batteries and in-display fingerprint scanning. The P30 Pro is the larger and more high-end device of the two, featuring a 6.47-inch OLED Full HD Plus display, 4 rear cameras and 4200 mAh batteries with 40 watt supercharge and 15 watt wireless charging, as well as 15 watt reverse wireless charging as well. So it can super fastly charge your device within 30 minutes, so no worries in the charging department or the battery department. It also comes with 8 GB of RAM and 512 GB of storage space. So that's why what you can say that Huawei is doing such a good job. The device is expected to be launched in April in India, though it has been launched and unveiled in Paris yesterday. So it will be available in Paris for pre-booking and stuff. So and if you have got your eyes set on this flagship, here's a quick peek and first impressions of the P30 Pro. So the P30 Pro comes with a minimalistic white box with a Leica quad camera branding. Opening it up, you will first see the smartphone nestled in a tray. Underneath is a rectangular flap which contains the SIM ejector tool and a clear TPU case. Below this you will find a 10 watt or 4 ampere. 10 watt 4 ampere means 10 into 4 equal to 40 watt charger, 2-pin supercharger, USB Type-C cable and a pair of wired Type-C headphones, earphones as you can say, with an inline remote or the air blaster. The unit I was handled wasn't for the retail use, so it possibly that the final retail boxes might differ slightly. Here's a thumbs down to Huawei P30 Pro, as Samsung S10 Plus has maintained a 3.5mm audio jack, though the P30 Pro doesn't comes with an audio jack, or it doesn't also include a Type-C to 3.5mm audio adapter also like Apple. Now talk about the flagship. So let's now talk about the flagship grade specs of this device. Number one, it comes about the SoC or the chipset that has been provided in Huawei P30 Pro. So octa-core Kirin 980 chipset based on 7nm technology runs on 2.6 GHz dual core, where one core runs in 1.992 GHz to perform your heavy tasks that you play while gaming or video editing or rendering, whatever you do on your phone. And the second, number 2 core works on 1.8 GHz for lighter tasks, for opening apps faster and making your phone performance smooth, and by saving the battery and efficiency of the phone. So number 2 comes about the display. Display is very good though, which comprises of 6.47 inches of OLED display of 1080 into 2340 pixels per size, and the brightness goes up to 398 ppi pixel per inch due to the OLED display that has been provided by Huawei. So that's a very good thing. So let's move on to the third point, which comes about the camera department. The camera department also is a very excellent, I would say. The primary camera is a 40 megapixel camera, number 2 and the second camera is a 20 megapixel ultra wide camera which supports 50x optical zoom. You can imagine a 50x optical zoom camera, how far you can focus that camera with amazing cameras are given in Huawei P30 Pro. And the third camera is a 8 megapixel time of flight camera that helps you to capture pictures in low light with lots of light it absorbs as the camera measures the distance between the light and the camera itself. So how much time the camera is taking to capture the light, so it detects the light of the environment and makes your image a very contrastful and a very flawless image, so that you can take the experience of triple cameras, or whether you can say it's a 4 cameras quad cameras phone. So that's a good thing. And in front it comes with a 32 megapixel front camera, which is again a good thing. So let's move on to the next. The next one would be the battery department. In battery department, the Huawei P30 packs a 4200 milliamp hour battery with support up to 40 watt SuperCharge technology, which will charge your phone in less than 30 minutes. As I have mentioned you in the video before, that it is going to take not a half an hour, but 20 to 25 minutes of full charge, 0 to 100% in 20 to 25 minutes. Can you imagine that? Smartphones are going beyond the limits, and an whopping feature of wireless charging with 15 watt wireless charging, that would be super fast. So that's all in the video, guys. I will be ending this video now. So comment section is given below. You would suggest me some points that I would contain in my next video. So how do you like this video? If you comment it down below, I will very appreciate you. So please do comment down below, and please stay subscribed to my channel. And if you're watching this video on my channel new, so please do subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Without pressing the bell icon, you wouldn't get any notifications of my videos, further videos that I will be uploading in future. So please do subscribe and hit the like button if you did like the video. If you didn't like the video, you know what to do. So I will be ending the video now. Let's meet in the next video.